Okay, Dan Fitzpatrick here one more time on innovative industrial properties. I don't know, maybe more than one more time. I'm the one that chooses the stocks and you don't get a vote. So anyway, here's the thing. If you've been following these videos, hopefully you've been trading this and made some good money. Now, yesterday I mentioned that the stock pushed above the 200-day moving average, above 90, and so it was a good time to be taking profits. And that's what we did at Stock Market Mentor. I suggested, take some off, sell a little bit, but keep the rest on and kind of look for $100. And so what I did today was had our members put a stop at about 89.50, and from where the stock closed yesterday, 92.40 or something like that. Sorry about that. I got a weird mouse here. So you're giving it less, about 3%. You're risking 3% of a give back by keeping a stop just a little bit below $90, which would be a logical level for people to be buying if they're going to buy. So you keep the stop a little bit below there just in case they're not. And then that allows you to stay in the trade and maybe make more money. And so I'm looking at volume, lower than average volume today, which is I'd say it's a yellow flag. Yesterday, really good volume on this move. So you really need to start looking at the price. Now, I would stay long the stock. It's too late to buy. There's no way I'd buy any more shares here. You're just missing it. Even if you make money on it, I wouldn't say it's a good trade. But if you're still long the stock, I think it is a good trade to hang on to because I think you have a chance to make a little more money. And even if it runs up to $100, doesn't seem like much, just right up there, but that's another 6%. That would work for me. So anyway, that's how I'm trading innovative, and we'll just kind of follow this all the way through. From the feedback that I'm getting from people, you like it when I stick with one trade as opposed to just moving around and finding a different shiny object every day. By the way, one thing we're getting. I'm actually getting quite a bit of feedback from newer members. We got a bunch of new members from a promotion that we had last month. I'm getting a lot of feedback from members telling me that some of the trades that they're making just based on the stuff that I'm giving them, that they're basically paying for their membership for many, many, many months. And so I invite you, if you're not a member, give it a shot. It's a month for free, so it's not like I'm taking your dough. I just want to give you an opportunity to see what we're doing in the premium section, and maybe it'll work for you, maybe it won't, but I guarantee you that it won't if you're not trying it, okay? So that's my big sales marketing pitch for today. I'm a hell of a salesman, aren't I?